What's up, guys? This is the two-man clan here, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Black Ops 2. Let me just lower this volume. Okay, just and say hello to my new friend. Wait, this is what I can. Call of Duty. Let's open it now. Got the box, the lovely disc, and we've got the manual. Piece of shit. And so, guys, if you wanna add us, you know what our name is. It's either Tryhard Zombies or the Two-Man Clan. And if you could just hit that subscribe button, it helps us do more videos. And soon we will buy an HD PVR. And we'll start gaming like pros. And if you want to see our other videos, won't hurt. So thanks a lot, guys. Peace.